guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan. I am a licensed cosmetologist, professional makeup artist, and lover of theatrics. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to get those salon looking brows at home. Because I do hair and makeup, it's honestly been years since I've been to the salon, so I'm going to show you guys how I achieve my whole sculpted brow look without actually going to the salon. So let's jump into it. So first thing I'm going to use is my witch hazel, and I'm going to use this to kind of clean my brows and just get any debris that might be on there off of there, because we are going to be using a razor. If there's dirt on it, you don't really want that to get into your skin because it can cause pimples and other issues. So we're just going to go ahead and clean off our brows first. Any product, make sure we get everything off of there and also lay them down. So now that that's done, I'm actually going to go ahead and measure out exactly where I want everything to fall. So you want the corner of your eye to match up with where your brow stops, and you want to make sure that it ends in line with the outer corner of your eye as well. So making sure to keep those points in mind, I'm going to go ahead and take my Anastasia Beverly Hills pen, and I'm going to draw basically a very harsh outline for where I want the hair to be, so that I know everywhere else I can just go in with my razor and remove it. And if you make a mistake, it's okay. Just go ahead and take your witch hazel, clean it up, and then just reposition where you want the line to be. I like a bit of a thicker brow, but if you like more of a slim brow, you definitely can customize it to your preference. So now I have some transparent shaving gel, and I'm gonna put that on my eyebrows. This just gives you a little bit more slip when you're using a razor, so I like to add this step in there. Now the fun begins. Okay guys, I am going to take a straight razor today to do this, and that is only because I am extremely experienced with a straight razor, and I honestly would not recommend you use this if you're not. So I would say if you're beginning and you're just starting out, go ahead and get one of these eyebrow razors. It is a little bit easier to work with, and it has safeguards on it. It has like little teeth that stop you from maybe going a little too far and accidentally cutting yourself. So if you're not used to it, can't stress that enough, don't use a straight razor. Just very gently going against the grain of the hair. I'm just removing all those little hairs. Make sure to clean off your razor from time to time. Alright guys, and that's all I'm gonna do. Now I'm gonna move to the top part of the eyebrow, and we're gonna shape there. Just making sure to hold that skin taut so that it's nice and smooth. And then I literally just angle my straight razor so that it's barely grazing the skin. A lot of people ask me why I don't wax my eyebrows or pluck them, and it has a lot to do with skincare for me. over time, as we all know, Mother Nature is going to take its course and pull everything down. So I really don't like to help her out. I like to kind of go against the grain. And waxing, you're literally just kind of like ripping the skin. So for that reason, I like to take a gentle approach and not do that. And the reason I don't pluck is because over time, we know that that thins out your brows and then they don't grow back. And I like having fuller brows, and I would like to have some when I get older. All right, so that is what it's looking like. So now I'm gonna go back in with that witch hazel and I'm gonna clean off my eyebrows. Okay, now I'm just gonna take that spoolie again and brush them up and see if we need to cut any little hairs, mainly on the inner corner of our eyebrows. Just brushing everything up. And now I'm just gonna take my little scissors and we're gonna trim off any little hairs that I see. Voila! Salon brows at home. Okay, now I'm gonna take it one step further and define my brows, but you guys could totally stop here. They look lovely, but I am going to deepen mine, so I'm going to show you how I do that. Taking Wycon in color Brownie, I'm going to go ahead and sculpt them out. I always like to start on the outer corner because that's where it's usually the heaviest. You don't really want the inner eyebrow to be that heavy, so I usually start there and just whatever's left on my brush, bring it on the inner corner. And that's how it's done. That's how you get your salon brows done at home. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And as always, thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any questions about my brows or anything, or any makeup related questions, please let me know in the comments down below. I love reading your comments and I want to know what you guys want to know about, so don't hesitate to let me know in the comments down below. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, will you please do me a favor and give me a big thumbs up? And also, if you're into this kind of content, please consider subscribing to my channel. I upload weekly, and I'd love to see you guys next week. Bye!